Hey, my name is Mark Tacna. Welcome to my channel, The Media Nerd.
Hooray!
One of the older videos that I posted on this channel was how to clean 8mm film and the importance of it before digitizing. Now I realize a lot of you go out and bought your own Wolverine Pro digitizer to do it yourself, which is great. However, you're not cleaning your film because you don't have one of those old antique rewinders that I have.
You don't see that every day.
This video, I'm going to show you how to use the Wolverine to clean your film using the PEC 12 cleaner and these non-abrasive PEC pads. Let's get to it. Here we are at the Wolverine Pro. I'm going to load the film onto the take-up reel, put it underneath this. I'm going to bypass all of this stuff here. I'm going to take my PEC 12 and I'm going to put a few drops onto the pad and I'm going to pinch it right here.
Ooh!
I'm going to go to the setting for rewind.
Wow!
And there we go. Mind you, this is going to take a few minutes to do. Not a fast process like the rewinder, but it'll definitely do the trick for you.
And away we go!
There we go. Look at how dirty it was.
Oh!
So, all we have to do now is put it back on the original reel. See how I flipped it? Put that on. This got flipped over. And we're gonna load it back onto the original reel and rewind it again.
Whoa!
So that's it. It was pretty simple, right? It was a little slow going, but very effective. So thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And remember, sharing is caring. So please share this video with a friend or two. Have a wonderful day.